I'm PD the Photon. Let me take you on this little journey that I'm on. We're gonna start the pressing of a pedal, but first you must select the technical level. For the MA, it's 0.5 to 5, and everybody already knows the reason why. Now may I say, begin to pay attention so you don't forget what I'm about to mention. Starting off in an X-ray tube, which is hopefully familiar because this is where the fun begins to build here. Then we have to go onto the table without any interference, as long as Bucky is moved for some clearance. But in this room, the table is bolted to the floor. What happens if you need to go next door? This is what a C-arm is for, and it's on to the patient where we can see a familiar face. But hold on, let's keep up the pace. This is where most of the swimmers lose the race. Differential absorption will take place. Mostly Compton scattering is what I see before I reach the input screen, entering through the glass housing. At the cathode end where conversion begins, I'm converted to a light photon with my friends. Next stop is the photocathode. Hope you're not on information overload. It's connected to the fluorescent screen, which can clearly be seen. Both are concave to keep us on track, if you know what I mean. And now I'm converted from a light photon to an electron, but let's continue on so we don't lose our pace. I see nothing but electrostatic lenses in my face, all with similar charges like me. Fortunately, it's negatively and repelling me toward the anode, which seems to be positive though. Normally at 25 kV, this creates a potential difference I must see, and on my way to this location, in order to achieve some magnification, the voltage is increased at a rad specification. And we come to the focal spot, where the beam is one way and then it's not. It gets reversed here, as will be seen when I make my way to the output screen. Then did I forget to mention multiplication from the beginning. When I started out, I was a 50 kV photon, but now I'm finishing out over 200,000 strong, and we are almost done at the end. Now I'll be seen with my friends on the big screen, but not at Edison because it was dim as flux. Ours now looks like $1,000,000. From the input to the output, the increase is plain. We measure it in total brightness gain. First carried through a fiber optic cable to a CCD. Sounds like a school for you and me. But no, this is the ADC, where I'm converted digitally for the human eye to see and back to light photons. Hope it's a 3K monitor for me, cause I'm worth it and technologists deserve it. And to preserve it, speaking of yourself, name of the game is radiation safety. Proper PPE is the key. Apron, thyroid, and these glasses. We all learn safety in physics classes. And for now, our last tape. Let me tell you why digital fluoro is great. It's a similar path that I take to the eye, but upon exit the photons fly into a sensor, a TFT, which is the place for my friends and me, where I'm quickly converted to a digital signal for purposes we all know, and that's that digital fixes everything for sure.